Hi guys, today learn AutoCAD Syllabus Part 1. Today start AutoCAD Syllabus Part 1, and this channel is CAD CE tutorial. So welcome CAD CE tutorial, and today learn AutoCAD Syllabus Part 1, and next video AutoCAD Syllabus Part 2 learning soon. Then today discuss here AutoCAD Syllabus Part 1, the chapter first, an introduction to engineering drawing and AutoCAD. This is a chapter first is point, and this point is all point is say here at first introduction to engineering drawing. First point. Second point is various type of engineering drawing used in mechanical industry. Third point is introduction to AutoCAD. Fourth point, exploring GUI. GUI means graphical user interface. And fifth is workspace. Sixth is coordinate system. Seventh is display control. Eighth is file management. And ninth is practice exercise. All point is learn one by one, discuss here, but today is only syllabus discuss here. Next chapter is drafting basic geometry shape in AutoCAD. Drafting basic geometry shape in AutoCAD. This all point discuss here. First point is basic geometry shape. Second point is setting the standards. Third point is drafting setting. Fourth point is drawing tools for basic geometry. Fifth point is modify tools. Sixth point is object properties. And seventh point is practice exercise. Practice exercise means all point see here, one by one discuss here, and today only a syllabus discuss here. Chapter 2 is all is point is completed, and next chapter is chapter 3, advanced drafting tool. Advanced drafting tool all points see here. First is drawing tools, second is projection and view, and third is practice exercise. The all 3 point is discussed here, and next video today discuss chapter only 3. Next video see chapter continue for chapter 5th, 6th, 7 and 8. So today discuss here only chapter 3, and next video see here and chapter 4th, 5th, 6th learning soon. Today discuss all chapter 3 here. Okay guys, thank you.